Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G22 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, pull down your notifications and extend the list. Select your settings and from there we're going to navigate to storage. I'm going to select right here this device and then we're going to choose our SD card. Now from here we can navigate to Files, just continue. I'm going to tap on the three dots, select Storage Settings, and then we're going to choose Format. So give us a pop-up that formatting SD card will basically remove everything from it. So if you have anything on your card that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this data will be completely erased and this process cannot be undone. So, with that being said, hopefully you made a copy of it, or maybe you just don't want to. At this point, select Format SD card. This will begin formatting it, and this only takes a couple of seconds, should be honestly right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. The card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.